Introduction to React hooks. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, specifically single-page applications. React hooks, introduced in React 16.8, are functions that let you use state and other React features without writing a class. They allow you to hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional components. Understanding React hooks. Usestate, a hook that lets you add React state to functional components. Useeffect. This hook allows you to perform side effects in function components. UseContext. This hook lets you subscribe to React context without introducing nesting. Example usage of React hooks. Demonstration of usestate and useeffect hooks in a functional component. Usestate is used to define a new state variable and set count to update the state. The useeffect hook is used to perform side effects like updating the document title. Tips and tricks for using React hooks. Only call hooks at the top level. Do not call hooks inside loops, conditions, or nested functions. Only call hooks from React functions. Do not call hooks from regular JavaScript functions. Use the useeffect hook for side effects. Useeffect hook can be thought of as component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount combined. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Initialization of usestate. The argument to usestate is the initial state. Avoid passing a function call that results in a new value on each render, as it can cause unexpected results. Useeffect dependencies. Declare all dependencies correctly. If any state or prop used inside the useeffect hook is not included in the dependency array, it might lead to bugs. But using previous state, when updating the state based on the previous state, always use the functional form of setState.